Good afternoon, students. Today we will start with the new topic, that is writing onto files. Till now, till the previous video, we've seen different types of reading from files. We've seen reading from files. We've seen three different methods for reading the contents of the file. Okay, that three methods are read, readline, and readlines. All are having different syntaxes and all are having different purposes. Now we will see how can we write data onto the file. Okay, in this video we will see writing onto files. Okay, so after working with file reading functions, now till now we worked with the file reading functions. Now we will discuss about some writing functions for data files available in Python. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग टू यू. अब तक हमने जो भी वर्किंग किया, जो भी प्रोग्रामिंग की, दैट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द फाइल रीडिंग फंक्शंस. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट some writing functions for data files which are available in Python. Like reading functions, writing functions work on open files. Okay, जैसे हमने reading function देखा, that will work on only open files. Similarly, if you want to write any data by using the writing functions, first of all you have to open file by using the open function or open method. So it's like reading function, the writing function also work on open files. Okay, that is the files that are opened and linked via a file object or file handle. फाइल ओपन है कैसे पता चलेगा? इफ the file is open and that is linked with the or linked via file object or file handle, then and only then we can perform some writing functions. We can perform some writing, updating data on the files by using the file object. Okay, so file must be opened and it is linked via the file object or file handle. Python provides two types of writing functions on data files. Okay, it provides only two types of writing functions. Python provides three types of reading functions, but for writing it provides only two functions. Okay, that is first write, second write lines. Okay, write and write lines are the two functions which are used for writing new data onto the file, onto the data file. So now we will see first write function. Write function writes string str1 to file references by file handle. Okay, write function what it will do? It will write string str1, means जो भी आप एक एक string जो provide कर रहे हो, that will be write onto the file which is referenced by the file object. ठीक है, फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट का यूज़ करके ही हम डिफरेंट फंक्शंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, व्हाई इट इज़ रेफरेंस बाय द रेफरेंसेस बाय फाइल हैंडल? बिकॉज फाइल हैंडल और फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग अ लिंक, okay, to the file which is stored onto the disk. Okay, so when we call the write function, it will write the string which we pass at the time of programming, at the time of execution, that will be referenced by the file handle. Syntax: file handle dot write str1. File handle dot write str1. Write is the name of the function, str1 is the string which we will pass at the time of the execution of the program. Okay, so this is the syntax of the write method, or you can say write function. Okay, see, each and every method, each and every function is having or is working with the फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट और फाइल हैंडल. अगर आपको किसी फंक्शन को कॉल करना है, एक्सेस करना है, तो आप सो यू कैन यूज इट वाया file object or file handle. Write lines. Write lines write all strings in list L. as lines to file referenced by file handle. Now as name indicated, write lines. Write lines means what? It will write number of lines, number of strings in list. Okay, लिस्ट में नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स वो क्या करेगा, एक एक एलिमेंट करके सेव करेगा एंड इट विल पास टू द फाइल हैंडल. ओके, फॉर राइटिंग ऑन टू इट by using the file object. Again, syntax is same here. File handle dot write lines inside the opening and closing parenthesis L. Okay, L is the list which is having the number of strings that will be write onto the file by using the write lines method via file object or file handle. Okay, now I think you all understand the use of the write and write lines method. Write is used to write one line, and if you want to write complete file at a time, then you can use the write lines. Okay, now we will see some appending a file. You all know that when you open a file in W or write mode is written in the short form as a small w. Python overrides an existing file. अगर आप फाइल राइट मोड में ओपन करते हैं, ओके, इफ़ यू आर ओपनिंग अ फाइल इन अ राइट मोड, देन पाइथन ओवरराइड्स एन एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल. जो भी आप लिखते हो, ठीक है, जो आपकी एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल अगर ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड है एंड यू आर ओपनिंग योर फाइल इन द राइट मोड, देन व्हाट हैपन, वॉट एवर डेटा is already available in that file, that will be overwrite. Means your old data will be lost, means your old data gets lost. Now if you want to write into file while retaining old data, then you should open a file in A or append mode. Append mode is represented by small a in the double quotation mark. ओके, अगर आपको आपका एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा सिक्योर रखना है और उसके बाद कुछ नया डेटा ऐड करना है. एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? अगर आपको आपका एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा, आपकी अगर एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल है और उसमें कुछ डेटा ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है, वो आपको डेटा सिक्योर रखना है और उसके बाद कुछ डेटा, नया डेटा ऐड करना है. सो यू हैव टू ओपन योर फाइल इन अ अपेंड मोड by using the A in the double quotation mark. So when you open your file in append mode, it will retain old data. Okay, it will retain your old data. So it will allow you to add newer data into it. Means it, by using the append mode, it will secure your old data as well as it will allow you to add newer data into it. Okay, you can add plus symbol with file read mode to facilitate reading as well as writing. Okay, अब ये हमने सारा फाइल मोड्स हमने जब देखा था, तब हमने देखा था write mode for W, R for reading, A for appending. But when you add a plus symbol, what happened? The file will be open in read and write mode both. Means the particular mode, if you write W plus, so it will facilitate the user to open a file for the writing purpose as well as for the reading purpose. So you can add the plus symbol for if you want to open the file for reading and writing purpose. Now in Python, writing in files can take place in following forms. Now we will see how can we write the data into the files. So how many forms are available there? So in an existing file, while retaining its content, अगर आपकी ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल एग्जिस्ट है, आपकी फाइल ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड है आपके कंप्यूटर में ऑन द डिस्क, देन इफ़ यू वांट टू रिटेन योर डेटा, इफ़ यू वांट टू secure your data, so how can you retain it? Okay, so we will see that. So first is, if the file has been opened in append mode to retain the old content. When you open your file in append mode, तो क्या होगा? It will allow you to add new data as well as it will secure, it will retain the old content also. Means it will not delete your old data which is already stored in your file or existing file. Okay, so अगर आपकी फाइल आप append mode में यूज़ करते हो, so it will retain the old content of the file. If the file has been opened in R plus or A plus mode, इट विल फैसिलिटेट रीडिंग एज वेल एज राइटिंग। ओके, अगर आप फाइल को रीड मोड में यूज़ करते हो या फिर R+ मोड में अगर ओपन करते हो, मीन्स दैट फाइल इज ओपन फॉर बोथ पर्पजेज, फॉर रीडिंग पर्पज एंड फॉर राइटिंग पर्पज। सो अगर आप R+ लिखते हो तो इट विल ऑल्सो सिक्योर योर ओल्ड डेटा, मतलब आपका यहाँ पे ओल्ड डेटा लॉस नहीं होगा अगर आप R+ मोड में आपकी फाइल को ओपन करते हो। आइदर यू कैन यूज द A+ इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर अपेंडिंग मेथड, मीन्स इट विल ऑल्सो फैसिलिटेट द यूजर फॉर रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग। नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल सी to create a new file or to write on existing file after truncating overwriting its old content. Now what is the meaning of that? If you want to create the new file और आपको existing file को truncate करना है या फिर overwrite करना है, truncate means overwriting, okay, truncate करना है या फिर डेटा डिलीट करना है, overwriting करना है to the old content, then how can we do this? Okay, so if the file has been opened in write only mode, if the file has been opened in write only mode, then what happen? अगर आपकी फाइल only write only mode में ओपन होती है तो क्या होगा? It will create your new file. ओके, अगर आपकी फाइल ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट नहीं है, ओके, इफ़ योर फाइल इज ऑलरेडी नॉट एग्जिस्ट ऑन द डिस्क, नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन योर कंप्यूटर, देन you can open the file by using the write only mode. So it will create a new file. Okay, it will create the new file by the specified file name given by user or given by the programmer. जब आप open फंक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं, in that you are writing the name of the file name and you are writing the mode, file mode. Okay, so in the file name if you write the name of the file and comma in the double quotation mark if you written the W, then what happened? If that file is not exist inside the computer, if the file is not exist on the disk of the computer, then it will create a new file, then it will create a new file. And if file is already exist onto the disk or inside the particular drive, then what happened? Whatever data already written in the existing file, that will be overwritten by the new content provided by the programmer. Understand? अगर आप राइट मोड में फाइल ओपन कर रहे हो, एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल ओपन कर रहे हो, एंड दैट एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल इफ हैविंग एनी content, if that existing file is having any data, then that old data will be replaced with the new data entered by the programmer. Okay, जो old content है आपके फाइल का वो overwrite हो जाएगा new content के साथ. Clear? Now next, if the file has been opened in W+ mode to facilitate writing as well as reading. Okay, here again say, अगर आप W+ मोड में भी आप अगर फाइल ओपन करते हो, if the file name is not exist into the computer, it will create the new file. Otherwise, if the file is exist, then it will truncate or overwrite its old content, and that old content will be replaced by the new content. Okay, so W+ will facilitate the user for writing as well as reading mode. मतलब आप writing भी कर सकते हैं, उसी के साथ आप reading भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so now we will jump on to the third. Make sure to use close function on file object after you have finished writing as finished writing. Okay, whenever you have completed your writing work. Writing work means what? For writing purpose, you open your file in the programs. Okay, you provided their file name and you written their write mode for W. Okay, you written some data on that, but you not closed your file by using the close function. You know very well that now close function is used to break the link in between the file object or file handle and the file which is saved or stored onto the disk. Understand? जो close function होता है उसका use क्या होता है? It will break the link in between the file object and the file which is stored onto the disk. उन दोनों के बीच में जो linking connectivity जो establish हुई है, उस connectivity को break करने के लिए हम close function का use करते हैं. Okay? Now why we have to close the close function after finishing our writing work? Sometimes it may happen that the content remains in memory buffer and to force write the content on the file. Sometimes it may happen that after writing the content of the file, it remains in the memory buffer. कहाँ पे रह जाते हैं? जो मेमोरी का बफर रहता है उसमें ही वो डेटा स्टोर हो रह जाता है. और अगर आप फाइल को क्लोज नहीं करते हो, ओके, इफ़ यू नॉट close the file by using the close function method, then what happened? Whatever you typed, whatever content remains on the memory buffer will be lost, will be not reflected onto the file. आपने तो डेटा एंट्री की थी, ओके, बट आपने फाइल क्लोज नहीं किया है. उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? सम डेटा, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि सारा का सारा डेटा मेमोरी बफर में रह जाएगा, ओके. सम डेटा, कुछ डेटा ऐसा हो सकता है कि मेमोरी बफर में रह जाए. और अगर आप फाइल क्लोज नहीं कर रहे हो, डायरेक्टली आप प्रोग्राम को टर्मिनेट कर रहे हो, तो इट मे बी पॉसिबल दैट द फाइल वॉट एवर रिटर्न विल बी नॉट overwritten, will be not added into the file. Understand? So when you are calling the close function, when you are closing the file by using the close function, it will force, that close function force the write content on the file and closing the link of file object from file. close function साथ में क्या कर रहा है? लिंक फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट के फाइल के साथ ब्रेक तो कर ही रहा है, बट साथ ही में when you are opening your file in the write mode, it will forcing the write the content of the file. Understand? When you are opening your file in the write mode and you are closing your file, so close function क्या कर रहा है? It is forcing to write the content on the file from the memory buffer. Okay, close function फोर्सफुली मेमोरी बफर से डेटा, मेमोरी बफर से कंटेंट फाइल में ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए, राइट करने के लिए कंपल्शन देता है. ओके, सो एंड क्लोजिंग द लिंक ऑफ फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑल्सो इट विल क्लोज द लिंक ऑफ द फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम फाइल. So for this purpose also close is used. So now we seen second purpose of the close function. First one is close function is used to break the link of file object from file. Okay, first function क्या है? फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट में और फाइल में जो एक लिंक बना हुआ है, जो कनेक्टिविटी बनी हुई है, उसे ब्रेक करने के लिए क्लोज फंक्शन का यूज़ होता है. एंड सेकंड यूज इज close function force to write the content on the file. Force function forces to write the content from the memory buffer on the file before closing the link of file object from file. Understand? मतलब फाइल क्लोज होने से पहले क्लोज फंक्शन फोर्सफुली मेमोरी बफर में जो डेटा, मेमोरी बफर में जो कंटेंट सेव है, वो फोर्सफुली राइट करने के लिए अलाउ करता है ऑन द फाइल. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी कैन परफॉर्म आवर राइट or we can use our write functions. So the programs which is based on the write functions we will start from the next session. So in this session what we learn? We seen two write functions on the files, that is a write and write lines. Write function will write one string onto the file, and write lines function will write number of lines at a time in the form of the list. List will contain the number of strings and that will pass to the file. Okay, after that we seen how can we open our file. Means we seen some methods, we seen some forms, that is in an existing file while retaining its content. अगर existing file है तो हमें हमारा content कैसे retain करके रखना है, secure कैसे रखना है, वो हमने देखा. साथ ही में to create a new file, if you want to create a new file or to write on existing file, अगर मुझे new file create करनी है या फिर existing file में data truncate करना है, override करना है, तो वो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, that also we seen in this video. And also we seen the second purpose, second use of the close function. Okay, so here today's session is over. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.